And the Illinois Supreme Court took up the Safety Act. It heard oral arguments yesterday in Springfield. Now, the elimination of cash bail is part of that act, and that's causing a lot of controversy. It means judges could no longer require people to pay money to leave jail while awaiting trial unless they're a flight risk or a safety risk. Many law enforcement agencies and state's attorneys believe this makes communities less safe by allowing criminals back on the streets. A judge in Kankakee County ruled it unconstitutional. 65 counties throughout Illinois filed that lawsuit. Jim Rowe, the state's attorney for Kankakee County, had this to say.
State's attorneys, prosecutors have an inherent interest in ensuring that we can move cases through the court system, that we can secure a defendant's appearance at trial. The sheriff has to ensure effectively the safety of every law enforcement officer under his charge. This act requires them to serve, for instance, notice to appear and then a warrant on 2 occasions. We've now doubled the number of instances where law enforcement is going to come into contact with perhaps a fugitive or a very dangerous individual.
He added criminal reform should be added to ballots so voters can make the choice. Meanwhile, those in favor of ending cash bail say it's hard for low-income defendants to pay their bond. If they stay in jail, they can lose their jobs, housing, health care, and more. The Deputy Solicitor General of Illinois represented the Illinois Attorney General. They want to reverse the decision by the Kankakee County judge and keep the Safety Act in place.
First, Article 1's bail clause grants defendants the right to seek pretrial release. It does not require the state to maintain the institution of monetary bail. Second, the General Assembly has concurrent constitutional authority to regulate pretrial procedure in Illinois, as it has done for 6 decades via the Code of Criminal Procedure.
A decision by the Supreme Court could take weeks. We'll continue to follow this case and, of course, bring you any updates.